We got to grow up. We simply got to grow up. We are not victims. If you still holding on to some shit, then figure out how to get over it. Figure out how to be happy. Figure it out. It's all kinds of tools out here, all kinds of information. We are in the information age. Dig through the archives. Because at this point, everybody done been through some shit. Everybody done been hurt. Everybody done been, everything done happened to everybody. And we have to decide, are we going to be a part of the problem or a part of the solution? Because I cannot get to the solution if I am too invested in the problem.